Ladies and gentlemen, Ryanair delighted to welcome you to East Midland. 20 minutes ahead of the schedule with the local time is 11 o'clock. For your comfort and safety and for the safety of passengers seated around you, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off. Please exercise extreme caution when opening the overhead lockers, as items of your carry-on luggage may become dislodged during the flight. For those of you who smoke, please refrain from doing so until you have reached the designated smoking area, which is well outside the terminal building. For those of you seeking car hire today, Ryanair are pleased to recommend Hertz. Hertz are our car hire partners and have a location desk situated in the arrivals hall. Meet the check-in queues with Ryanair's new online check-in facility, Check and Go. Check-in from 2 days up to 4 hours prior to your departure and have the added benefit of priority boarding. For further details, visit ryanair.com. So, finally, on behalf of the captain, the other captain, and the rest of the crew, we'd like to thank you for tuning in today. It has been our pleasure looking after you, and we hope to see you on another Ryanair schedule in the very near future. From all of us on board, thank you and have a good day.
C'est pour le roulage qu'il accélère.